go on YouTube. As we're, after we did the car seat in the car, obviously the one thing I actually want to talk about was this guy. It's called a Momcozy. It's too bad it's not called a dad cozy, But anyway, it's a little zipper. Apparently it's supposed to be fun for holding your phone right in here. Supposedly.
It's like a fanny pack for strollers.
Yes, and actually, getting to that, if you didn't see, this is probably going to be Hero's favorite thing about this stroller, about any of the baby stuff.
Because it holds 2 cups.
Yeah. So if you haven't seen our first timers cycling channel,
the first
Hero,
yeah.
So we'll put that up in the upper right hand corner so you can click on it and watch it. But he's all excited and he talks about his fanny pack. He's like flipping it around and he's like, you gotta get this, guys. It holds both of your drinks, wallet, keys, tires, tools. So pretty much this is probably what this is gonna be for. Obviously I don't need tubes or anything in it, but it actually looks pretty cool. So actually let's jump over and let's see if we can get this guy on there, because it looks pretty simple. Came from Amazon. We'll put the link below, guys. All right, so as we're putting this on here, actually I don't know, that's gonna be a little tight right there, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like really tight right there.
And if you readjust this, it's gonna be in the way.
Yeah. Well, actually, I mean, we could probably flip this around. Let's flip this around. Maybe if the baby's facing you, that gives you the. That actually might.
That would make sense.
Yeah. Let's see if that'll.
That's a lot better because all that clearance now.
Boom. Yeah. Okay. So let's.
Looks like it's stopped here.
So we can lower it, put it in.
It's Velcro, so it makes it easy. You can strap it around anywhere.
Let's see how much.
There's that Harley terrorizing the neighborhood again.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, actually, let's go a little lower. Or
Okay.
higher, I mean, right there. Right there.
It's up to you.
Looks pretty good.
Beers,
Yep. Okay.
phone,
Look at that. Beer can go right in there.
wallet.
Water on one side, beer. Baby has his own drink right there.
Baby has his own beer.
No, baby will not be drinking.
And another cup holder, so you
Dang,
could have
good.
a party with this stroller.
Yeah, actually, I didn't even think about that. Dang, we're gonna be living it up.
Hydrated, for sure.
Cadillacing. Oh, geez, look at this, guys. So you got this. Your phone can be in there. You got your music playing. Actually, we can use this for the JBL Flip 4.
There you go.
The Flip 4 and 1 had the music going, baby looking at you.
Already fixed up the stroller with the sound system.
Yep. So
JBL sound system.
actually looks pretty good. So this will be exciting. So it looks pretty simple, easy. Anyway, guys,
All right.
we out. We'll see you next time. Again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Hey, and also, if there's anything that you want to see, definitely comment in the comments below. Or if you think there's something that I would be intrigued in as well.
Or actually, if you can follow our Facebook page and then comment in there too.
Yes.
That also, we're always on that too.
Yep. So
We'll put that link.
we have a lot of stuff going on, so it's nuts. So we're excited, guys. Anyway,
Hope you enjoyed.
first timers out. Deuce.